You know what I've been thinking about a lot lately is the cost of money versus the income of money and how it's so lopsided. What are the cheapest loans that you can get? Well, I guess car loans are pretty cheap, maybe at 6-7%. Mortgage rates are probably 6-7%. That's probably the lowest end. Then you get personal loans and you get credit cards are the worst. That's like 30%. And that's what they're charging you. I recently did a video on retirement and calculating how much you would need in retirement. And there's the famous 4% rule. The 4% rule is in the first year of retirement, you take only 4% of your money because you assume that the market would outperform the 4% and plus inflation and all that. So you take 2 or 3% of inflation and you take 4% of your money. But that's the income side. So I can only take or use 4% of my money. Okay, then it adjusts and you can maybe use 6 or 8 banks to use their money are charging you 16, 27% for credit card debt. What you want to think about is how you can not use the bank's money, but you can invest and make your money grow to higher percentage rates. I think the biggest percentage growth rate that you can do that you can earn is probably through a business. Buying a business, working in a business. If you could grow your business 20%, well, that's 20% on your money. And then the next year, if you grow 10 or 12 or 15%, businesses, when they talk about growth, they want to be growing at least by 15% a year. But yeah, I just was thinking about that disparity. We could get angry at it. We could get frustrated at it. We could think that the banks are immoral for charging us more to use their money and it costs us so much more money to borrow money than they give us to receive in interest. If you put your money all in a bank account, even a high yield savings account, what can you get right now? 4%. They're taking that money, lending it out to other people, and they're gaining 16% and only giving you 4%. So I don't think, and I say all that, like I said, not to whine about it, cry about it, but just to shed some light on it.